Main symptom that I have is pain to my entire back. I say front, but no, it's the back behind. I've been here, I've been here, I've been here, I've been here, and it's changing. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it move here. If I push, it not hurts, but I feel the pain.
A, B, C. Come say hello to the faves. Come. Come here.
Mama, why does only
Come here.
one red ball?
Say hi.
One red ball.
Hi. Hi. How about you? How are you?
Wag, my old.
So sit up properly so they can see you. Do you want them to see you upside down?
Yeah.
Careful to your sister. She's right there.
I'm the master.
You're too funny.
Yarn is you the crazy monster. I was looking for you for years. Now I have a bad news for you.
Yeah.
Well,
How are you handling not being in school and being home for a week?
I love that.
You love that? You love not being in school and being home? Why you love that?
Because I'm tired.
Because you're tired?
Tired at school.
You're tired at school?
When I'm at that county, they don't give me. If they give me it straight, it's more faster. But I need to take it all by myself. I need to take the cheese, the plateau, the little plate, the cup, the bread, the salad, everything.
But guess what? That's making you become independent and make you a big boy. So you're not a little boy anymore. Darth Vader. Look at this one coming.
My
Lord of
name
mercy.
is not Darth Vader.
Okay.
My name is Anakin.
Stop now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Good job. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
G and Z.
Good job.
You
Hi,
feel-
faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is night now. And it's just me and my babies holding it down while Papa is quarantining. Papa is isolated away from us. How are you missing Papa Tay? You're missing not having Papa played with you?
I'm missing him because he can't play. Domino, he can play nothing.
But that's okay. Papa will come back soon, okay? It's better for Papa to be away from us so that we don't get sick, right?
Yes.
Alright, your pizza soon be ready.
Mama.
Yay! You say it all by yourself.
Mama.
Yes, Ty. You guys, I'm just giving you guys a moment with the babies. Then I'll give you guys an update because I can't give you guys an update with both of them.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
the last day of January, I have a challenge for you.
Okay, what's the
Challenge is you need to do 24 hours in your room.
Okay, that's easy.
No, no,
Why do I need to do 24 hours in my room?
because it's a challenge.
Okay, well. Anyway, you guys, I'm just coming on to intro this video, and then I'll give you guys
Don't forget to do a 24-hour challenge every day.
When
Bye-bye.
Mama is talking, what you're supposed to do, Ty?
Excuse me.
Exactly. Sarah is over here behaving bad. Sarah, no! No!
Excuse me.
No! No, you girl!
Excuse me a million times.
Look! 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 Say hi! Hi, give me the remote. Hi guys, it's only me. So you guys, I wanted to come on and give you guys this update all day, but life wouldn't permit it. So when I say that, I mean the kids, they were just all over the place and all over me, and I couldn't get a minute to tell you guys all the things and for you guys to hear it properly, to hear what's going on with us. So this probably be all over the place, but I'm gonna try and make it as clear as possible to give you guys an update with what's been going on with us since Hubby tested positive for COVID-19. So it's been what? It's been 3 days. When I'm recording this, it's been three days since the positive test, and when you guys seen it, it would have been about 5 to 6 days since the positive test. So yeah, since babe tested positive, he's been quarantined, he's been in isolation. I moved out the room, left my husband. So they've been in the room all alone without me, without us, and I've been taking care of him. Of course, I've been taking care of him. So a little insight into what's been going on. He's been working. He said that if he doesn't work, he's gonna go crazy. So he's been still working on his computer and talking to clients on the phone and all that. So he's pretty active all day. Sometimes he even work until extra late because he really don't have anything to do if he doesn't work. So he's working for the most part. Let's just put it out there and let you guys know that babe is okay. He's doing good. When you see baby still giving trouble whenever he sees me, you know that baby is doing okay. He's still feeling a little back pain, but it gets better with each day. But yeah, he have little headaches every now and then, but babe always have headaches, so we really can't say if the ones he's having now is related to that or it's just his migraine. But he's really not having no other symptoms whatsoever. He's not sleepy, he's not droopy, he's doing good. But I'm gonna see if I can get him to talk to you guys. I'll just give him the tripod without him touching the camera and see if he can talk to you guys. But yeah, I wake up in the morning and I'm making his cup of ginger tea, and then his ginger tea always followed by a cup of green juice. Yes, he's drinking his green juice. You guys know that he started drinking green juice lately, so now he don't have a choice. He's drinking green juice every morning. And then whatever is on the breakfast menu, whether it's some fruits, porridge, or whatever it is that I make for breakfast, he'll have that. And I bring him a tray that he had in there with his favorite snacks and chocolate biscuits and fruit and stuff like that. That if he wants to snack between each meal, he can do that, but he's trying not to stay hungry, you know. And there's a fridge around there where you really don't need to use it, because he took out the juices so that he don't drink anything cold. They took out the juices and have them in the room with him, and he have glass and stuff like that. So I'll bring him his meal in my mask. He called me Madam the nurse. And he's enjoying his room service. Every time he sees me, he says that he feels bad. So I said, why you feel bad? He said, because you have to be serving me food. I'm like, come on babe, don't feel bad. We take care of each other. That's what we do. I'm your wife. In times like this, I have to take care of you. Anyway, so I bring him his meals 3 times a day. And he sees the kids in terms of, I bring them to him in the morning. Not bring them to him, but I bring the kids to the door, and he stay on the bed and he'll wave to them and he'll talk to them with his mask on, and I have my mask on, and I'll have his mask on at the door and say hi to Papa and stuff like that. But you can really see the sadness in his face, that he can't kiss them and hug them and kiss us and hug us, because you know that's babe love language. He's a tender person and he's touchy-feely, and him can't doing that is really taking a toll on him at the moment, but it won't last forever. We just thank God that he is not the worst where this coronavirus is concerned. Our family that we saw over Christmas also take the coronavirus test since babe positive, and theirs turned up negative. However, there is someone at babe's office that tested positive a day after babe. So our initial thought that it happened either through commute from home to work or back, or at work. I think that's where it happened, since holiday, not before the holidays. Since we got back from vacation, we really think that's where it occurred. But yeah, there's nothing we can do about that. Me on the other hand, I am homeschooling Tyler at the moment. Today is what date?
Jeudi.
Combien? 8.
Janvier 2021.
Very good, that's what you're gonna write. You finish?
Oui.
Hein?
Oui.
Ok.
Oui. Janvier.
Le premier mot. 2. Le deuxième mot. Il est. Il est. When you finish, just say finish. Because Tala is out of school for 7 days. However, when I took my test, they told me that they wouldn't test the kids because the kids were too young. Since then, it's really been bothering me when I really want to rule things out where they are concerned. Though they have been okay, they are still their old self, they're playing, nothing changes in behavior and stuff like that. But we called their pediatrician and he said that they need to be tested. So they're going to be tested at the hospital that their pediatrician works. So we got an appointment for them. So I am going to be retested on Tuesday morning to see if I'm positive or I'm still negative. And then Tuesday afternoon, both kids going to be tested. However, where that is concerned, they said that I cannot go, babe have to go, because I get to understand while educating myself and listening to the doctors that we talk to on the phone, the how this coronavirus thing work is that after 7 days of getting it, you're no longer contagious even if you're positive, so you can pass it on to someone after 7 days, right? So at the hospital, because I'll be retested on the 7 days and Babe will pass the 7 days of him having it, he can take the kids to the hospital, but I'm not allowed to go. So it's Babe that have to take the kids. Because going outside for me before the 7 days is considered dangerous. So in that case, they said that I can't go to the hospital to care the kids. But I think I'm a little bit relieved knowing that the kids will be getting tested. So that's good. On another note, what else I need to tell you guys? There's so much that happened. The past few days I've been just making soup for Babe. I made soup, I made porridge, I made veggies. You guys know how I cook, so he's been doing that. I am almost out of fruits, so Jen is going to go do a little fruit shopping for me and bring some stuff for me tomorrow, just to drop off. So that's that. What else do I need to tell you guys? There's so much that's been going on. I've been just taking care of everybody, really. I guess if come Tuesday I test positive, I wouldn't be surprised, but hey, we are sticking to the positive side of things and hoping that I'm still negative. But at the moment I am still feeling okay, though sometime in my head, each time I feel a little woozy, I'm saying to myself, is this something coming on? Natural instinct, I guess. And not instinct, I guess, natural feeling to feel that way because Babe have it and I'm taking care of Babe. But yeah, I've been cleaning, washing things down, wiping as much as I can, and Baby's not in the living room and in the kids' room. Where I've been cleaning the most is really the toilet and the bathroom because we're still sharing those. So I've been doing that. He doesn't go to the kitchen, he doesn't go anywhere else except the toilet and the bathroom, which we're sharing. So I have to put sanitizers and sprays in the bathroom and the toilet, so whenever he uses it I can clean, and he also cleans before he leaves each time. There's a whole lot of cleaning going on around here. Yeah, I think that's that. But anyways, yeah, that's just what's been going on. The kids are okay, I'm fine, and Baby's in good spirits. And I just want to say thank you guys for all the outpour of prayers that you guys been sending Babe, and all the love. We're humbled by it. Thank you, thank you. He's one of those that don't have much symptoms, but we're still not taking it lightly, and we're still doing what we gotta do to make sure that we get a negative whenever he tests again. But yeah, so that's what's going on around here. Hopefully I give you guys all the updates that is necessary. Yeah, apart from that, I've been still trying to work and hold things down and try and get some stuff done. I don't have time to not do anything but that's okay. You guys know me, I'm a multitasker. This is what I do, so I don't mind.
Hi guys. I think it's the first time I talked to you since I tested positive to COVID. Well, first news, I'm okay. I don't have no fever. I didn't lose my odor or test. Yeah, the main symptom that I have is pain to my entire back. I said front, but no, it's the back behind. I've been here, I've been here, I've been here, I've been here, and it's changing. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it move here. If I push, it not hurts, but I feel the pain so bad sometimes. Oh, it's not easy, but otherwise I'm okay. Except the first day when I starting to have a lot of fever. Otherwise I'm not bad. I'm not too bad. It's not easy to be alone in the room. I'm locked here, but you have people that are locked in a little space. I can't complain. And I have no TV. People that have no TV. So yeah, I'm here. I just have my phone as a company. I have a laptop as a company. So yeah, it's just like a little moment alone to spend, and yeah, boring. Until now, it was the week, so I walk a little bit, I rest, wake up the morning whenever I feel, don't want to rush myself, and yeah, I have my laptop to do some work, so it keeps me company. I just do whatever I can and don't stress and just take it easy, you know. I have time, so I don't stress, but tomorrow, after tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, oh, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm here, well, watching TV on my phone. Well, I guess I don't have choice. I can't do nothing else than that. I just yeah, that's the harder part. So, but in the same time, then we see so many person in prison and they are isolated and they are alone in a little baby cell, nothing else to do. So I can't complain. I can't complain. I'm here, and the harder thing is also to see babe. She's doing everything. She's magic. Trust me, she's magic. She's doing everything, taking care of the kid, taking care of me. She makes sure I have everything that I need, everything that I want, even if I don't want much. So yeah, she take care of the kid, and seeing Tyler and Sarah just here and bye bye and can't kiss nobody. So that's hard, you know, when you have your baby just looking at you and nothing else you can do. You just feel, oh. So yeah, that's the harder things for me, honestly. That's the harder things. Also two bad things that I had. I think it was the second day I starting to feel some pressure here. Nothing's too worry, it was just a little bit very light. I just feel pressure here. So it's like in the same time that I have pain in the back, I feel pressure on the chest. But nothing, they say it's not good at all, but it's not something that stopping me or making me breathing badly or struggling or anything like this. So yeah, I didn't take it bad. I mean, it's just compressing here. It's just like with the back pain. I feel it when I'm moving like this. I need to try to find a position where it's not hurting. So yeah, and also about the eating. Now I'm okay, even though but at first is some things that I was struggling. I mean, I was just eating a little bit, didn't really feel for much things, and yeah, now I'm eating more, so it's a good things, and also I still have a little things like pregnant woman. I'm gonna say, like, you have food that you can't stand. So yeah, I still have that. For example, I love yogurt. I can eat yogurt every 2-3 times a day. Every time I eat, I can have a yogurt at the end. But now, babe, bring me yogurt, but I just don't touch it. I just don't feel for it. It never happened to me before. I mean, I eat whatever is there, and now I feeling, for example, fruits. I want fruits that are juicy, like grape or like orange, or yeah. At first I wanted juice, but cold juice. So yeah, that's I feeling right now. There's things that I feel for, and things that even if I'm hungry, no, can't eat that. I mean, things that I used to love. So yeah, that's the only thing. So I hope this will come back, because I need it. But overall I'm fine. And yeah, last things, I want to thank all of you for all of the love, all of the support, all of the messages that especially babe she received from me. And yeah, I very, very, very appreciate it, and I'm very thankful to all of you. So I wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and yeah, soon come back.
Alright, you guys, so that's it for today's little update. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I don't know if you guys must enjoy about it. I took like 2 days off from filming, so I'm good now. I kind of have a rhythm with things going. So anyway, you guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow.